2021, a new wave of learning, building stronger connections. Making study fun and interesting. And showcasing the talent of our learners. Launching powerful approaches to make lifelong learning a habit. Making education more inclusive and accessible. Believing each one of us deserves a chance to learn. Opening doors to employability. Delivering stronger and faster growth in online education. As we step into a new year, we count our blessings and feel strong. Our success is found in the smiles of people we were able to impact, in the ways we cross the barriers to make learning accessible, and in the chances given to people to rebuild their careers. Be strong, taller, stronger, and braver than before. Let us together build the future of our dreams.